How to see who logged into your Netflix account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can see who logged into your Netflix account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Netflix in your browser, then log in into your account. So enter your login credentials and then sign in into your account. Once signed in, navigate to your profile picture at the top right corner, click on your profile, then select account from the menu. After that, scroll down to privacy and security and tap on manage access and devices. There you will see every devices that has been logged in, including the time, location, and which profile was used. And if you see any device that you do not recognize, all you have to do is click on sign out next to that immediately. And with that, the device will be removed. After that, head back to your main account page and change your password. Make sure to check all the box that says sign out all of your devices. And once you do that, you will be logged out of all of your devices and the logged in device will also be removed. That's it. Now your Netflix account is safe. That's all for today's video. If this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.